Okay, what I'd like to show today is a simplified method of getting data that is stored in your SQL database for WordPress into a more useful format for restoration into a new SQL database. By doing this, you avoid having to create a dump or a backup of your SQL database and then restore that, say, with a new hosting provider. I've found this incredibly challenging, and I'm just going to hand it over to support at the hosting provider at this point. It is just too difficult to manage myself. So to avoid all this, what you can do is come on down to Tools, and then you want to go down to Export because we want to export the data from our original site. This will only download certain data. So it's going to contain posts, pages, comments, custom fields, categories, and tags. Now that's definitely not everything, and if you have a really complex site, it's not enough. But it is most of what you're going to have if you have a simple site. This should be 95+% of what you're going to have. So go ahead and click Download Export File, and it's going to download this XML file. Then when you get on your new website, what you're going to want to do is click on Import, and from here you'll click on WordPress, and it's going to request that you install the WordPress importer. It's not installed by default, so you will have to add that to your install. But it's a very simple way to get the information from one site to another. And without doing this, you're going to have to do an SQL dump and restore at your new hosting provider, which is, as I have found, quite difficult to accomplish on your own. And maybe it'll be real simple once I get a hold of support at my new provider. But for now, I would recommend this method if you want to just be able to handle things yourself. All right, thanks for listening.